Today, let us learn Maths Standard 2nd and topic is number 18, comparing numbers. Children, you can read and you can write the numbers, right? You know which number is bigger one and which one is smaller one. You know the comparison of numbers. But today we are going to learn some symbols that we can use to write greater than and smaller than. Okay, when two numbers are given, we can say by using the symbol which number is greater and which number is smaller. Got this? Let us move to our topic. Okay. See dear children. See dear children, here comparing objects. You can see two animals. Am I right? Here this animal, this is elephant, which is a huge animal, or we can say this is a large animal, right? And one more animal, that is mouse. This is a tiny animal or a small animal. Here we are comparing these two animals on their sizes. Correct? This is nothing but comparison. Got this, children? By comparing, we can say that this is large and this is small compared to this elephant. Okay? Here you can see a girl, and on her both sides we can see owls. On her right hand side there are 4 owls, and on her left hand side there are 2 owls. Right? Come on, tell me which are more in number, these or this? Yes, very good. 4 owls are more compared to 2 owls. So let us write here less and these more. This is also nothing but comparison. Here we have compared the numbers 4 and 2. 4 is more compared to 2. Correct? Okay. Here you can see some objects, and what to do with these objects? Let us read. Circle the group which has more number of objects. What to circle? More number of objects. Now dear children, in the first row we can see green caps and black caps. Please count the caps. Green 3 caps and black 4. Which is more, 3 or 4? Very nice, 4 is more. So we will circle this black caps. Okay. Now here we can see apples. How many are there? 5. And 3 jellies. So which one to circle now? Yes, very nice, apples, because they are more in number. Right? Now kites and balloons. 2 kites and 3 balloons. So let us circle 3 balloons. Right? Because they are more. Now in the last row, 3 butterflies and 4 bees. Very nice. We are going to circle 4 bees because they are more in number. Correct? Here, tick the group which has lesser number of objects. What to tick? Lesser number. Remember. Now in the first row, 4 balls, 3 bats. Come on, tell me which one to tick? Nice, 3 bats. 3 is lesser compared to 4, right? So let us tick here. Now 5 buckets and 6 baskets. Very nice. We'll take 5 buckets. Sorry, 5 buckets. Okay. Now here we can see, yes, right, 8 dogs and 7 deers. We'll tick here 7 deers because 7 is lesser than 8. Now here we can see 9 burgers and 10 ice cream cones. Very nice. Let us tick burgers because they are 9 and ice cream cones are 10, and we know that 9 is less than 10. Correct? Here we have done the comparison. Which is more, which is less. Right? Here you can see a crocodile. It is observing two numbers. Here we can see 8 and here 3. Right? Okay. Now dear children, tell me what the crocodile will do. Can you guess? It is very hungry. It wants to eat the bigger number. Yes, let us see what. Yes, it opened its mouth towards 8, the bigger number. Can you see the shape? See here, this has opened its mouth towards 8. Remember dear children, this symbol we use to tell the greater number. Open side always tells the greater number, and the closed sides or the corner that tells us about the smaller number. Here you know that 8 is greater than 3, right? So this symbol we use to tell greater than. Remember, open side. This is open side. Open side always tells us about greater number. Okay. Now dear children, here you can see the crocodile opened its mouth, and this symbol tells us greater than. Means in front of this open side always we write greater number. Okay, the first number is greater, and here we will write the second number. Got this? Again we can see crocodile and we can see two numbers, that is 6 and 9. Right? Now let us see what it will do. We know that it is hungry and it opens its mouth towards larger number, greater number. Yes, here the crocodile opened its mouth towards 9. See dear children, this is our symbol for smaller than, because 6 is the first number, correct? 6 is the first number and 9 is the second number. The closed side of this symbol, here it tells or it shows 6 and the open side shows 9. So we can write like this: 6 is smaller than 9. Okay, first number is smaller than second number. Got this children? So this symbol we use for smaller than. Okay. Here you can see the crocodile and its open mouth. This is nothing but smaller than symbol or lesser than. Always here this side first number will be there and this side the second number. Okay. So the second number is greater and the first number is smaller. For the children, only thing you have to remember that the open side of this symbol tells us about the greater number. Here you can see two balloon men, right? In his hand so many balloons are there, means we can say more balloons are there compared to this man's, right? Come on dear children, here we have to use the greater than symbol or smaller than symbol. This is the first man, this one is the second. Yes, he has more, so the first number is greater than the second number. So we must use the greater than symbol, right? These are greater in number compared to the second number, right? Okay. Here you can see a crocodile. It has opened its mouth towards 76 number. This is the second number. First number is 67. Yes, correct. 67 is smaller than 76. So it has opened its mouth towards 76 because it is very, very hungry. It wants to eat the greater number. Got this? Yeah? Okay. I hope you understood about the symbols. Smaller than and greater than. Am I right? Here, the symbols for smaller than and greater than. See the first one. The symbol this, okay, stands for smaller than. Means here first number is smaller compared to the second number. And here first number is greater because open mouth, right? Compared to second number stands for greater than. Remember this. Okay. Dear children, here you can see dumb-roos. This is first group of dumb-roos and this is second group. In the first group, totally there are 12 dumb-roos. Just now I have counted. Okay. And in the second group, there are 3 dumb-roos. Right? Okay. Now here we have two symbols. This is greater than, this is smaller than. And 12 is the first number, first group. This is 3, this is second group. Now, dear children, you have to observe this number and you have to use any one symbol here. Which one you are going to use? This is greater than, this is smaller than. Yes, very nice. Yeah, you are going to use greater than, right? Because 12 is greater than 3. See the open side? It has 12 in front of it. And the corner or the closed side has 3 near it. Correct? Okay. Here you can see some columns. 8, 6. Correct? Compartments are there. 5, 5, 6, 8. Now here we have to use less than, equal to or greater than symbols in between these two columns. Come on. Here 8 is the first number and 6 is the second number. Come on, tell me. 8 is greater or 6? Yeah, correct. 8 is greater. So you are going to use greater than symbol, isn't it? So 8 is greater than 6. Here 5, 5. Very nice. Equal to. Both are equal. Here this is 6 and this is 8. Nice. The first number is smaller than the second number. Right? Same thing we will write down. 8 is greater than 6. 5 equal to 5. 6 is smaller than 8. Right? use smaller than or greater than. Dear children, here 45, 13. Please observe the tens place. This is unit, this is tens. Correct? 4 tens, here 1 10. Here 2 tens, 4 tens. Dear children, one rule is there or formula is there. Let us read. The number with the greater tens digit is the greater number. Yes, here greater tens. This is 4 and here 1. We will try to bifurcate this 45. 45 we can write like this. 40 plus 5. 13, 10 plus 3. Isn't it? Now you know that here 4 tens, here 1 10. Correct? So this is bigger, right? So we are going to use greater than symbol. 45 is greater than 13. Right? Very nice. Here 26, 47. Again we will try to bifurcate this. 20 plus 6 and 40 plus 7. Come on, compare this. 2 tens, 4 tens. Yeah, absolutely right. What? Here 26 is smaller than 47. Right? Good. Here we will not bifurcate. You have to tell me which symbol we are going to use. 67, 58. Very nice. 6 tens, 5 tens. 67 is greater than 58. Nice. Here 70 and 34. 7 tens, 3 tens. Nice. 70 is greater than 34. Very nice. Remember this rule. Okay. It will help you to use the smaller than or greater than symbols quickly. Here you can see some more numbers. Array. What happened? Here tens are same. 110, 110. 510, 510. 7 tens, 7 tens. 8 tens, 8 tens. What to do now? Yes, tenses are same in both the numbers. Okay, not to worry. One more formula is there. If the tens are equal, the digits in units place will help you. See here in the unit place, here again we will try to bifurcate. This is 10 plus 2, this is 10 plus 5. Neglect this 10, 10. Okay, only give importance to 2 and 5. They are in unit places, right? Yeah, you are right. 12 is smaller than 5. This 15. Here 2, here 5. 12 is smaller than 15. Right? Very good. About this, 50 plus 0, 50 plus 8. Here in the unit place, we can see 0. In the unit place, here we can see 8. Yes, absolutely. 8 is greater. So, the first number 50 is smaller than 58. Got this? Come on, tell me here. This is 78 and this is 77. 7, 7, they are same. So, ignore that. Now, come to unit place. This is 8, this is 7. Very nice. 78 is greater than 77. Nice. Here 89, 81. Correct. 9 is greater. Correct. So 89 is greater than 81. I hope you understood about how to use the smaller than and greater than symbols. Right? Here, which words make this statement true? Some statements are given here and options are there. You have to choose the correct option. See, this is first one. 66 - 69. Options are is greater than is less than, is equal to. Which one is the right one? 66 is greater than 69, or 66 is less than 69, or 66 is equal to 69. One option is right. Very nice. Is less than. You know that 6. Tenses are same, but units, this is 6 and this is 9. 6 is smaller than 9. So 66 is less than 69. Very good. Next, 86-65. Again same options. Is greater than, is less than, is equal to. Come on, tell me. You can see the tens here. This is 810, this is 610. Nice answer. 86 is greater than 65. Keep it up. Third one, 69-69. And options are here. Come on, tell me which is the right option. Yeah, very nice. Tens also same, units also same. So both numbers, they are equal to each other. So 69 is equal to 69. Excellent answer. Next one, 95-89. Options is greater than, is less than, is equal to. Come on, tell me. 9, 8. Very nice. 95 is greater than 89. Terrific answer. Last one, 79-97. And the options are, yes, come on, tell me. 7 tens, 9 tens. Nice. Is less than. Correct. Okay. 79 is less than 97. Superb answer. Claps for you. Dear children, this is homework for you. Okay. Because you know how to use these smaller than and greater than symbols. Now you know perfectly about the comparing two numbers. Dear children, here some numbers are given. You have to observe these numbers. You have to observe the unit place, tens place, and you must have to use the proper symbol, that is less than or greater than. Okay? Got this? This is homework for you. I hope you know each and everything, so you will do this, right? Please write these numbers in your notebook and then use the symbols in between two numbers. Okay? Thank you, dear children. Children, in your textbook also there are some exercises on this topic. Please go through it. Okay?